Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your headset is set up, Gorilla Tag is updated, and the mod loader installed. Once done, enable mod permissions in your VR platform so the game reads custom files. Next, load the mod files into the game folder and back up the original game config. This prevents loss if you revert. Make sure you join a mod-enabled server or a private room to test. These early steps get the game ready and prevent common file conflicts. Now you configure the custom mode itself. You open the mod menu, pick a profile, and change physics like climb speed or grab strength to match your design. Adjust rules, tag timers, safe zones, or XP, plus map selection and player limits to control flow. Once set, save the profile and run a single test match with a friend or bot. This verifies balance and prevents crashes. If performance drops, reduce physics complexity or player count to stabilize gameplay. Finish by loading your saved profile and inviting players. Explain the new rules so everyone understands objectives. During the first rounds, monitor latency and collect crash logs or player feedback to spot problems quickly. Make incremental adjustments rather than big overhauls so you can trace causes. If something breaks, revert to your backup config or update the mod and loader. Often a mismatch causes failures. One key tip: clear cache and relaunch the game after changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.